Boom Platoon, I have a very important question. Are you feeling lucky? And what do you have to say for yourself, Jim?
That disturbed me.
That does disturb me. He is talking straight to the CEO of Adam Aaron in this FUD, Fear, Uncertainty, and Doubt. Let's find out in this video. If you guys are watching to the end, look at Sleepy Meatball right there and understand that this is going to be a video about where the stock is going. It took a tumble at down 5% after the SEC had revealed its GameStop meme stock report. It references AMC multiple times in it. We broke it down in the last few live streams, but now Jim Cramer had the opportunity to sit down with Gary Gensler. What exactly did he ask him, and what exactly is he saying about it now? Could this have been a false flag for AMC, people who have been in this stock, to have succumbed to fear, uncertainty, and doubt? We'll find out in this video right here. Jim still believes AMC is AMC's Entertainment Holding Inc. stock because of AMC CEO Adam Aaron. He said on Monday, Cramer told CNBC that Aaron texted him Monday morning with really encouraging box office numbers that show the company is finally on the rebound back to where they were in February of 2020. Domestic box office numbers gross more than $300 million. He said the entire month of October has been a very strong month with extraordinary box office numbers, the CNBC host said. I know it's a meme stock, but the fact is I continue to believe in Adam Aaron. Many shorts say that the stock is way overvalued and that it can't be worth what it's trading at. But if the stock price is inaccurate, Cramer asked, why doesn't the stock drop significantly when investors liquidate? Now, here is the most important question. AMC did rise 5%. It lost less than a gain yesterday, but it was because we tried to cross this 260% retracement line. 44.46 gave us the slip. In fact, that was the high of the day, 4444. Not a lucky number if you're from certain parts of the world. So AMC dropped all the way below that level of retracement to $44. This is the mental barrier as well as that critical level of resistance. Gave us the slip on 42.54 and then finally dropped below 41.58 the last few minutes of the trading day. So at the end of the day, is Cramer setting himself up to be investigated in this question that he is asking Gary Gensler? Where are the criminals, Gary? Gensler had covered a lot of what could have happened in the leading up to January, but when we covered this in a previous live stream, we made sure to note that he said that the shorts, one, have not covered. He does not make any indication that the shorts have covered, but he does say that the shorts were above 100% on GME as of January. So when it comes back down to it, has the short squeeze occurred? He defines short squeeze multiple times, but he does not say that the effects of January was due in large part to a short squeeze. So shorts have not yet covered. Apes are holding strong. And yet what do you have that is so disturbing to you? Let's listen to this clip to make sure that Jim is asking the right questions. Let's back it up to the very front where Jim is going to be able to start his question.
Is the staff, because those who read this will know there was not a vast conspiracy against them, which was really the topic that I know a lot of us felt we were really razzed by because we were all in on some sort of Citadel conspiracy. I think that's completely busted this. But there was something on page 12 that disturbed me. You talk about some in the marketplace may possess superior information about underlying assets. That, sir, I think is illegal. Did we discover that some had superior information and therefore should be in front of the commission to find out what the heck went
on? I think my brain just had, I think I just had a stroke. He is asking Gary Gensler about payment for order flow, about whether or not users of the SPY side of payment for order flow, the high frequency trading algorithms, as well as the hedge fund billionaires looking at your money and thinking, yeah, whichever direction is going, I'll hedge against, or as long as you guys got a bad bid-ask spread, you guys are making money for those trading apps, as well as for those who are paying for that data. Is that illegal, and should they be brought in front of the SEC? Let's hear what Gary Gensler has to say.
Well, I think that you chose the words carefully, may be there, but when order flow, when trading is being purchased and sent to one wholesaler or another wholesaler, then they have information that the rest of the market may not have, at least for a short period of time. And even milliseconds matter in these markets. And so that's what we're also looking at. You're absolutely right that I think from a policy perspective, want to look at that and how we instill greater competition, in essence, for that data as well as for that order flow.
Okay, so there should be greater competition for paying for that data. So he's saying that paying for order flow should be incentivized to the people that the market is supposed to protect. You and me, individual investors, but right now it's not. Doesn't really answer the question of should people who break the law show up in front of the SEC. However, one of the things I do want to say is that there have been some winners of the day. CEI is up just a smidge, 21% is all, but currently up 1.5% more. And the after hours, we got UEC up 2%, up another percent in the after hours. We got SHMP, a penny stock, up 11%, and then ATHR. This is some sort of crypto altcoin. You guys have been pitching these during the live stream, so they're on my left side for a reason. But back to AMC. Understand that we now have the mental barrier of $40 to bounce off of, and whether or not that is going to cross through the simple moving average as soon as the market begins is the main question. The simple moving average was not our friend this morning, and it likely will not be our friend the next morning. However, if we can get that bounce, the smooth one, off of the morning dip, then we could end up above the VWAP. And if that happens, this orange line here will be able to stay on the steady course back up to the $44 retracement. So that's another 10%, another double-digit rip waiting to happen. But when is it going to? You guys better make sure that one, we get the message out that AMC is alive, proud, and listening to what the SEC reports are and educating ourselves. This is the financial education that we constantly try and make sure that everyone has access to. So if you guys are here to stay for the long run, to invest in yourself, then this is the channel for you. So subscribe, make sure that you guys are checking out that like button, making sure that it equals the number of people in here so that we can thoroughly destroy the algorithm. And then finally, make sure that you guys understand that this is an opportunity for you to jump into some fantastic tools. We have ChatterQuant down in the description, which allows you to be able to get a 40% off discount for a tool that tells you a lot of important data, as well as LuxAlgo, which gives you 20% off with the code AndrewMoMoney at checkout. Hey, I'm Andrew Momoney on Twitter and on Instagram, and if you guys want to be on this show, we have a second channel for you to just subscribe to, because we've been giving people the platform to talk about their financial goals and how to smash them together. So if you got some goals, but you need some people to kick you in high gear and maybe put you a platform to give you guys that opportunity, this is the Google form down below. And finally, make sure that you guys are eligible for raffles in the future by making sure that you guys follow on either Twitter, Instagram, and are subscribed publicly. Thank you guys, and for now, but not for forever, thank all of the people that make this show possible, the patrons on Patreon, as well as the Gorillionaire and Space Legends over on the YouTube membership. All you need to do is press that join button next to the subscribe button. For now, but not for forever, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.